Hello dears, welcome to English Easy Learn. Today we are going to learn singular and plural, particularly singular which are ending in y that follows consonants and vowels separately. When a singular noun ends y followed by a consonant, then we drop y and add ies to make plurals. Now, come, let's see list of examples.
Baby,
Babies,
lady,
ladies,
family,
families,
city,
cities,
country,
countries,
spy,
spice,
sky,
skies,
cherry,
cherries,
strawberry,
strawberries,
pony,
ponies,
berry,
berries,
bunny,
bunnies,
fly,
flies,
butterfly,
butterflies,
lorry,
lorries,
poppy,
poppies,
story,
stories,
study,
studies,
puppy,
puppies,
kitty,
kitties,
army,
armies,
party,
parties,
hobby,
hobbies,
candy,
candies,
granny,
grannies,
activity,
activities,
university,
universities,
secretary,
secretaries,
enemy,
enemies,
library,
libraries,
supply,
supplies,
beauty,
beauties,
theory,
theories,
dictionary,
dictionaries,
melody,
melodies,
variety,
varieties,
difficulty,
difficulties,
possibility,
possibilities,
reality,
realities,
fantasy,
fantasies. When a singular noun ends y followed by a vowel, then we just add s to make plural. Yes, dears, come let's see a list of examples for it. Boy,
boys,
ray,
race,
monkey,
monkeys,
joy,
joys,
key,
keys,
kidney,
kidneys,
chimney,
chimneys,
day,
days,
donkey,
donkeys,
bay,
bays,
toy,
toys,
valley,
valleys,
decay,
decays,
delay,
delays,
journey,
journeys,
play,
plays,
tray,
trays,
way,
ways,
guy,
guys,
trolley,
trolleys,